Good morning! Good morning mga palangka! So, work mode ulit tayo. Tapos na yung holiday natin. Boxing Day ngayon. Hindi ko isusuot yung jumper na nabili ko sa Manchester. Kasi I really feel bloated from last night. Yung tiyan ko sobrang laki. At yung jumper kasi, it's a body fit. So, kitang-kita yung tiyan ko na malaki. Dahil busog. Until now, busog pa din. Right, sweetheart. I'm going to work.
She's up. She's up.
What are you doing with Daddy?
We're having a cup of coffee.
Come on, sweet. Come on. I don't have my tripod with me as usual. The window's open in the bathroom. Okay, sir.
I'll have a happy Boxing Day, don't worry.
Hmm?
I'll have a happy Boxing Day.
You will have.
It's cool this morning.
Yeah.
Right, take care, darling.
I love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye, sweetheart. See you later.
Yeah, okay, darling. Take care.
Bye. Madilim pa din. Yung oras dito is 6:58 na. At yung time in ko is 7:30. So magdadrive muna ako mga langga and I will probably see you after work or sa car park. Nandito na ako. It's so warm in here. Tingnan nyo to. Oh. Ang daming mga chocolate. I can see merong note dyan na all of these are for the staff. Yan. I am home. And look who's here. Hello, sweetheart. Hello. Oh no. No. That's it. That's enough. That's enough. Meron akong dalang chocolate galing sa trabaho and binigyan din nila kami ng tagti 10 pounds for Christmas. It's my first time to receive a 10 pounds. Hello! Na-shock si John kasi sabi niya, oh, you're home early. I normally finish at 3:30 today, but then the Boxing Day rota, I'm only put down 2:30. So, yun, maaga ako. In-inform ko siya while I'm having my lunch, pero hindi niya nakita yung text ko. Whew, it's cold. Ang bilis ng oras, 3 o'clock na ng hapon dito. So, meron tayong leftover na beef from yesterday. So, mag-roast potato tayo ulit. Yun yung request ni Mr. Kasi kailangan namin itong gamitin itong mga potatoes na to. Papasensyahan nyo na maingay yung washing machine. Kailangan natin itong gamitin kasi nakikita nyo naman, marami tayong potato. At kailangan din natin gamitin yung Brussels sprouts. Kasi dalawa kasing bag yung binili namin. At yesterday, isang bag lang yung ginamit namin. Just like yesterday, mag-roast beef ulit tayo. Roast potato, roast parsnips, sprouts, carrot and sweet. Woo!
We still got some pigs in blanket.
Huh?
We still got some pigs in blanket.
No, I give it all to Mama.
Really?
Yes. I gave it all to Mama. Be careful, honey. The oil is hot.
Oh, this is why I'm being drunk. Professional. Where's my tools? No tools.
No tools.
Use it.
And sprinkle a little bit of...
Could you organise it then?
Okay. We'll sprinkle a little bit of rosemary. There you go.
And salt.
And salt.
Rock salt. Have I done this wrong?
No, that's it. Just control yourself.
I'm always controlled, you know this time.
There's no coming up.
There you go. You always need to put a bit of... Just give them that bit of edge.
Yeah.
Professionalism.
Thank you.
Now, what you need to do, take it from the corner, pick it, get all the juice, put it all over. Yeah. You must go into do this before you put them in. This is what makes them go brown. How's that?
Yes, looking good. Yan.
Now we can just put them down there.
Yeah, spread them.
Bit of spacing. You need better have a bit of spacing in the brown bit. That's it.
That's it.
We'll put them that way in, I think. So for this. Turn it heat up now a bit.
And we'll take the meat out. I can smell it. Smelling good. So ito yung leftover. Oh, this is a good piece, honey. This is a good piece. Just enough for the both of us. Yan.
Well, I just thought that was cooking it in half.
Yeah.
No, I wasn't. Well, you could go that way. I was going to go a long way, as you said.
Always.
It doesn't matter, does it? But that's the correct way of cutting it. I was thinking if we could cut it straight down the middle.
Yeah.
And now we've got a piece each, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, just leave it in like that.
You touch it. And we will have a cracker as well.
What a cracker!
Our Christmas cracker. Why not? Why not use this all? There you go, sweetheart. Ooh, the meat is still pink.
Supposed to be.
Carrots and sweet.
Sweet and carrot. Well, what I'll do is put them on one plate.
A little bit of black pepper. And mashed it.
I don't know what this is now. It's quite hot, I think. Let's not put it on.
Someone asking, what is that meat wrapped with something? That's what she asked.
Which meat?
What do you call it? The sausage wrapped in bacon. And they call it in here pigs and blanket. What do you call it? Pigs and blanket in a way.
Well, the sausage is from the pig.
Yeah.
And the bacon's from a pig. So they're classing the bacon as a blanket.
Okay. That looks good.
Just yeah, I've made them.
Yung fat na ginamit namin, That's from yesterday as well.
Do you want which piece would you want?
Whatever.
I'll give you a warm up. Right, that'll do for you. Right?
Thank you.
Put your things on. I'll just drain this off a bit. Where'd you like it?
All over. All over. That's his plate.
That's it. No champagne today, we drunk it all.
No champagne. So I'm having Sprite and John is having apple juice. Ooh. Come on, be violent.
No, hold it there.
Wait,
Here, hold it up here.
this one?
No, put it up, hold it up here. That's it, then you win it.
On.
You're pulling that end and not that end, there you go.
Thank you.
Pretending the person who gets all the big part of the cracker.
What did you got?
Oh,
Oh,
diamond. Big diamond.
a big diamond. What is this?
A big diamond, is it?
No, it's like, you know, what do you call that?
Is it a puzzle?
No, there's a bowl and, you know, tin pin bowling. Is that, do you call
Oh,
it?
yeah?
Yeah?
Well, that's yours.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I got from my cracker. And John got a diamond.
And
Ah, kitchen. Oh, I like this.
I'm putting my hat on.
Yeah?
That's it. Can't read the jokes, I ain't got my glasses with me. Right.
What lies in a pram and wobbles? What is that, wobbles?
Wobble, wobble.
Yeah?
Don't know.
A jelly baby.
Ha ha ha.
Wale. Trivia. How many gifts are given in total in the song The 12 Days of Christmas? 364. How many gifts are given in total in the song The 12 Days of Christmas?
Oh, okay.
I don't get that.
364.
Yeah. And the other one. What do vampires sing on New Year's Eve? You know it. I don't know how to pronounce Old Fang Sign.
All Lang Syne.
Well, I don't know. It's different spelling.
Yeah, I know what you're saying, yeah.
Yeah. Trivia. Who wrote the theme tune to the TV show Neighbors? You should know that.
I don't actually.
Tony Hatch and Jackie Trent.
Oh, Tony Hatch was it? Oh.
How's your beef? How's the food?
Very good.
Very good.
Best beef I've had in a long time.
Huh? What?
Probably the best I've ever had, that beef. You know, because I've never had sirloin as a roasting joint before.
No.
Yeah.
One thing I like now is a sprout.
I like sprouts. As long as they're not too strong, I like them.
My very first year here, I did not like sprout.
I've always liked sprouts, even when I was a kid.
Are you full?
Mm.
I am.
I'm not bursting at the seams, but it's nice.
No, I'm full.
You know.
Because I had a lunch. No, I had a lunch. I had roast beef as well.
Unbelievable. Kept that one quiet.
Yeah, we had a roast beef and Yorkshire pudding as well.
Which was the best dinner?
This one. And I had a trifle. Trifle with fruit
And
a bit of cheesecake. Too many temptation where I work. That's why Christmas time I'm getting fat. Sorry.
and I had a ham sandwich for my dinner.
Oh, there's nothing wrong with that.
This is why I'm so slim.
I mean, you know, they really look after you in terms of food in there and where I work. You will never go hungry.
Well, I must say I've enjoyed my last 2 dinners.
Yeah.
Need to relax now, and then I'll have some trifle in a while. You can't have trifle, you've already had trifle.
Oh, that's different trifle.
Look at the face on it.
That's different.
Is it?
I'm curious, what is this? I'm curious, what is this, honey?
Fava leaves. Haven't we?
Philippine bowling is that, isn't it? You know, the...
Big
Yeah.
balls.
So there's a bowl. That's the bowl. And that's supposed
Little
to be...
Skittles, you play them on table, don't you?
Yeah, little Skittles. Come on. For the...
Over there.
Just for the over there.
If you do it on there, it'll all run away. Put it on the thing.
What? No, you won't. Just... Stop it.
No, you're supposed to line them up, right, in a row, like this. No. Right, and then you put them in the gap there, like
In the
that.
cup, yeah.
How many is that?
10?
Yeah, that's why it's called 10-pin bowling. No, what are you doing?
What? Yeah.
Right,
Right.
and then you got to try and knock them all down in one go.
Ah! You go.
No, there's no point.
No, if the bowl is not large enough,
Heavy enough.
heavy enough, I mean, oh.
That's it.
Now the bowl, oh well, it's sort of.
Don't give it to any kids.
No, but I like this one. I like this.
You mean my keyring?
Yeah, I like this.
She likes my keyring.
It's a diamond.
I wish it was. What if that was a real diamond?
Well, I think,
What if somebody put it in there for some lucky person to have,
yeah,
and we are the lucky persons?
I think the weight will be heavy if it is a real diamond. I'm sorry, but I have to throw this away.
Oh, sorry.
It's not, yeah, I
Oh,
know.
sorry, be safe.
I know. It's not kid friendly,
Child friendly.
child friendly. May nagtatanong nga pala kung ano yung make ng candle holder na na-receive ko nung Christmas Day. Ito. Ano lang, light glow tea light candle holder. Yan lang ang nakalag. Meron pala dito. Yan. Sana mag-focus. Focus. Don't be shy. Allah, ayaw talaga niya mag-focus. Whew. Yan. Yan yung name niya. Stags by the Lake. Light glow. I-search niyo yung light glow candle holder.
Oh, trifle.
No, we're not having trifle now, sweetheart.
I am.
Are you?
Oh.
I thought you said you're full.
I'm having the pudding.
You're having your pudding now?
Not trifle. You don't want none, do you? Obviously. You don't want none.
Well, I will have then. I will have some.
How much would you like? We have to make another one in a couple of days, you know.
Why?
Well, we don't have to, but I thought, is that enough?
Excuse me?
I don't know.
Excuse me?
No, Lenny. We had trifle already today.
That's not counted.
Eh?
That's not counted. That's enough.
Just enough.
Thank you.
Just enough for my supper.
Really? Okay then. And pour a little bit of cream. Double cream.
Oh, right. Done that. Yeah, I'll do that. How much would you like?
That's enough.
Which spoon would you like?
The big one. Thank you. No, not that
Is
one.
it the big one?
Well,
I'll just
John.
play it before I put it there. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. Go to
Oh my. The fire is nearly out.
Hello. Hello.
Every time I eat John's trifle,
She gets excited.
I burp and all I can taste is a sherry.
What do you mean a sherry? Sherry.
Seriously. He put a lot of sherry.
Yeah, but this is the problem, you see. It's your own fault. If you're eating my trifle, you should be eating your own. You should be eating your own trifle, not my trifle.
I don't have trifle.
This is what I have to put up with. She steals my trifle.
I don't.
You just say when you eat my trifle.
Don't be naughty.
Oh, yes.
Is it good?
Mm.